Hey guys, quick and useful one. Here's every clean way to get a Twitter or X profile or tweet URL from the mobile app, Android or iPhone. Plus shortcut, in troubleshooting. No fluff, just copy paste ready links. First off, copy a profile page link. Open right here, Twitter. Open the profile you want. Okay. And then what you gotta do, just go ahead and hit the three dots at the top, right? And you can hit share right here. You can copy the link to that profile, right? That's one way to do it. On Android, the same thing, right? Click the three dots at the top right, tap share, and you're done. Okay. If you want to copy a single tweet's URL, just go ahead to your to the profile or tweet, right? Hit the share button. Copy link, right? And it will look like twitter.com/username/status/number, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever. Thirdly, you can use quick manual method. If the app is hiding options or you prefer to type it, find the user handle, their username, manually build the URL, twitter.com/their username right here. Right? So you need the tweet ID for the second method, right? Which is twitter.com/username/status/the tweet. So you're gonna copy the tweet and you're gonna take the last number and put it manually. Okay. Another way of getting profile URL, get your own profile link. Open your profile, right? And what you're gonna do, just hit the share button at the top and copy link to profile, right? The same thing for Android or iPhone, okay? And when you share, you can also send to directly to WhatsApp, email, notes, etc., or paste it into your clipboard, okay? If copy link isn't showing, update the app. Make sure that Twitter is fully updated to the latest version. So go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and let me go back. And let me refresh right here to see there is any new update. Okay, if you see Twitter included, just hit update or update all. For private or protected accounts, the profile link still works, but non-followers can't see tweets, so they have to follow you first and get your approval. Okay, so TLDR, profile link twitter.com/username, or tap three dots or the share icon at the top and copy profile link. Tweet link, open tweet, right? Hit share right here next to the tweet and copy link, and you're gonna see the Twitter link, twitter.com/username/status/the number or ID of the tweet. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.